So we're looking at merit level questions now, and starting with question 1. So we have Harveer hits a hockey ball which follows the path h is equal to minus 1 over 25 into d plus 1 and 2d minus 15, where h is the height of the ball and d is the distance of the ball from Harveer. How far from where Harveer is standing does the ball hit the ground? So, in other words, what we have to do is we have to find the value of d. So, the only time the ball will hit the ground is when the height is 0. So, the ball hits the ground when the height is when the height is equal to 0, ball hits the ground. So what I can do now is I can write this as minus 1 over 25 into d plus 1 into 2d minus 15. All of that is equal to 0. So I have a quadratic which is in the factorized form, and I need to solve the quadratic for d. But then minus 1 over 25 is the issue over here. So what I need to do is I need to divide both sides by minus 1 over 25. So when I do that, you will notice that I will end up with d plus 1 upon 2d minus 15 is equal to 0. So I divide this side by minus 1 over 25, divide this side by minus 1 over 25. Remember, 0 divided by negative 1 over 25 is going to be 0. So I'm left with that equation. So now I can say either d plus 1 is equal to 0 or 2d minus 15 is equal to 0. So d over here is going to be negative 1, and over here d is going to be 15 upon 2, which is equal to 7.5. So what I can do now is I can say that d is equal to 7.5 meters. So we cannot have negative distance. So d equal to negative 1 is not possible. Therefore, d is equal to 7.5 meters from where Harveer is standing.